Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up another dish of Goans or Goa dish that is called Foogath, and that is cabbage Foogath, and it is very simple. In other words, that Foogath is like stir fry or cabbage saute or cabbage stir fry. So I've taken around 300 grams of cabbage, that is you get in a big cabbage. So I made it half, and the big cabbage was weighing around 790 grams. So I've taken 300 grams out of it. So this is it. So this is half cabbage, that is 300 grams. Then I have taken around one big onion sliced in this way. Then I have taken around 3 green chilies this way, few curry leaves, and around 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Then we'll be needing some, I have taken this tur dal. Okay, you can use your chana dal. I have taken this tur dal, around 1 big teaspoon of this, 3 Kashmiri chilies, and 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of oil for frying. Then I'll be using some mustard seeds and cumin seed also, and turmeric powder. So let's start. Very easy, very simple, very tasty, and it's a famous dish of Goans and Goyakaras, and that's why they say cabbage Foogath. So let's put our oil, let it become hot. I'll take 1 teaspoon of this size of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I will add the garlic cloves, and our curry leaves. So here it is. Now this time we will add our green chilies also, and few will keep for garnishing. Then let's add our onions to this. And fry this nicely. Oh, the aroma is so nice of the garlic and the chilies and the mustard. And we'll add our tur dal, that is pigeon dal. It's called pigeon dal or pigeon chickpea. And let's fry this all nicely. Onion nicely get cooked, so we can cover this. and cook that. So nicely the dal is an optional. You can do it without adding any lentil or dal. This is just for an extra flavor for our foogath. Now at this point we are going to add our turmeric powder. So it's like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder goes in this. Now again, some want white color, then don't add turmeric powder. If you want the yellowish color for your cabbage, then you can add this. Let it fry for a little. We'll add our salt to this. Salt to taste. Check your salt afterwards also again. And now at this point we will add our cabbage. And just saute this for or stir fry it for few minutes. We don't want this cabbage to be overcooked also. No adding water. So what we'll do, we'll cover this till it becomes little bit soft on its own, and it's done. So I will just cover up with this like this for a few minutes till the steam ups over here on top. Now let's mix this all nicely. And you cut your cabbage in like this way, shredded. You can use your grater, whatever you want to use, whichever way you're cut. See, the color of it is so nice. Now some of y'all who doesn't agree with coconuts or anything, grated coconut, you can use your designated coconut also. And if you don't want to add any coconut, then yes, your vegetable is ready to serve. Crunchy veg, that is cabbage foogath, is ready to serve actually. So it's up to you. If you want to, then yes. And my cabbage is ready. So now I will garnish this with coconut, because originally it was, you have to, and this green chilies, this red chili, sorry. So I will break like this. I will keep this too for garnishing. Now I will add this and mix this together, and remaining I will garnish it. I've kept green chilies also to garnish it. So now let's mix this again, and it's done. Cabbage foogath is ready to go in your rice and whatever curry. It's like wow. And nice. I've checked the salt. I need little bit of salt to this, and it's tasty and ready to go on the plate. Thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy this, and do let me know how do you like my cabbage foogath in Goan style. Now this is optional again. If you like to have little bit tanginess for your foogath of cabbage, then you can add little bit of lime juice too. It's up to you. The original foogath of cabbage doesn't have this lime juice, but if you want to, you can add this like this, just for the tanginess. I have added little bit of salt because it needed salt, and then mix this all nicely. So that you get that crispiness, tanginess, coconut flavor, then some lentil flavor is also there. That is the tur dal. Done. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching from all over the world, because we get your we receive your messages and commenting, and we can view that from which part people are viewing. I am thanking you all from bottom of my heart, and thank you so much. And even if you want to know which vessels I am using and from, then we have our Amazon thing also. I will share that link and you can have a look to that also. So thank you once again, and love you all over the world. Thank you.